People love to explore new places, that's why travel blogs are extremely popular all over the world. If you can create a travel vlog channel, then there is a huge possibility of getting quick success. But what if you don't have a cozy camera, or are unable to travel all over the world? Still, you can create a travel channel with the help of AI. Look at this video.
Winter in Europe is a season of enchanting beauty, festive spirit, and snowy adventures. From the magical northern lights to the cozy Christmas markets.
Yes, this video was created with an AI tool. In this video, I am going to share the step-by-step of creating a travel video with the help of AI. So, without further ado, let's dive in. First of all, we have to select a topic or place to make our video. The topic should be related to travel. Let's ask ChatGPT for our video idea. Simply type your prompt like me. Suggest some video ideas for travel guide channel. ChatGPT provides us with 15 video ideas. Now you can select one of them and generate videos for your channel. For example, I am selecting the seasonal travel guides topic. You will find a description also. We have to focus on the best destinations to visit during specific seasons, such as the best places to see autumn foliage, enjoy spring festivals, escape to during winter, or cool off in summer to make seasonal travel guides video. Alright, now let's ask ChatGPT for a video script. I am typing, write a video script about 5 best places in Europe to visit in winter. And you can see ChatGPT has started generating a script for us. It generates a script with proper scene description which will help us during the video editing. That's great. After generating the script, copy the script and paste it into a doc file. Now create another doc file, and then copy the voiceover script from the first doc file and paste it into the second one. Don't copy the scene description or other instructions. After creating a new fresh script with only the narration text, now it's time to generate a voiceover. You can record your voice or generate it with AI. I will generate my voiceover with DubDub AI. After coming to DubDub AI, select the AI voiceover tool. After that, copy the fresh script and paste it into the text box. Select a voice actor from here. Listen to a preview. If you are not familiar with DubDub AI, you can watch this video from the I button, where I explain DubDub in detail. Alright, after generating the voiceover, download it on your device. Alright, our script and voiceover are ready. Now let's create the original video. To generate the video, I will use the AI-powered video editor, CapCut. With CapCut now you can generate videos only from your script. To do this, after logging into your account, come to the Magic Tool tab. Here you will find an option called Script to Video. Select this tool and then copy your fresh script and then paste it into the script box. You can generate a script with CapCut also. After entering the script, hit the Generate Video button from here. Now we have to customize our video setting. First, the generation type. There are 2 options. The first one is the Smart Generation. If you select the first one, CapCut will generate or collect visuals, captions, background music, and voiceover. And if you select the second option, it will generate the captions and voiceover only. You have to collect and add video footage later. After selecting the generation type, select the aspect ratio. In the end, select a voice actor. After all is set, hit the Generate Video button from here. Now CapCut will analyze our video script and generate a video for us. It will take some time. And here it is, our video has been generated. Now you can export the video or edit it to make it more accurate. Let's see a preview.
Is a season of enchanting beauty, festive spirit, and snowy adventures. From the magical northern lights to the cozy Christmas markets, the continent transforms into a winter wonderland. Join us as we explore the 5 best places to visit in Europe during the winter season.
The voiceover is pretty good, but the visuals are not up to the mark. It added a maximum number of stock images instead of video clips. We have to spend a lot of time editing this video, and we don't need the voiceover as we already have a premium quality voiceover. So, I will collect the video clips with ChatGPT visual suggestions and create my own video. To do this, I will use the CapCut desktop version. You can use the web version also. Alright, after opening a new project in CapCut, import the voiceover clip and then insert it into the timeline. Extend the time for a better editing experience. After that, come to the Media tab and open the Library tab. Here you will find a vast number of copyright-free video clips you can use in your video. We will collect video footage from here for our video. Okay, now come back to the script doc file with visual suggestions. Copy the first visual suggestion keyword and then come back to CapCut. Paste the text into the library search bar. Now you will find video footage and images here. Find the best video footage for the first scene. Try to use only the videos if possible. Although ChatGPT suggests one video footage for our first scene, but I will insert multiple video clips to make the video more engaging. If you are not able to find your desired footage, then modify the search quire. After completing the intro part, Come to the first place description. It's about Lapland, Finland. Copy the palace name and search for the videos. If you are unable to find the footage, modify it and search again. After inserting the first scene for the first palace, we will add title text. To do that, come to the Text tab. Here you will find a vast library of text templates. Find a template that is the best fit for your video. After entering the text template, change the text to our first place name. Adjust the size and position. Okay, now enter the next video footage according to ChatGPT. You can customize the video speed, length, and size if needed. In this way, add video footage from the media library. After completing the first one, come to the second. As like the first one, add related video footage and title text at the start of the second place video's first scene. After that, enter other video footage according to ChatGPT visual suggestion. In this same method, add videos, titles, and other elements until the end of the video. After that, you can add some transitions between the scenes to make the video smoother. Then you can add some effects to your video also. Alright, our editing is nearly completed. I will add captions to my video. To do that, come to the Text tab, and then select the auto caption from here. Now select the video language. After selecting the language, hit the Generate Caption button. CapCut will generate captions for us. And it will perfectly sync with our voiceover. Now to customize the caption, come to the right tool panel. Click on Templates from here and then select a caption template. After that, come to the Basic tab and customize the font color, size, and others to make it visually appealing. After all is set, you can see a preview. If you are satisfied with the video, click on the Export button from here to render the video. The process will take some time. Let's fast forward this part. And here it is, our video is ready. Let's enjoy the video.
Winter in Europe is a season of enchanting beauty, festive spirit, and snowy adventures. From the magical northern lights to the cozy Christmas markets, the continent transforms into a winter wonderland. Join us as we explore the 5 best places to visit in Europe during the winter season. Whether you're seeking adventure, culture, or just a picturesque getaway, Europe has something special for everyone in winter. Let's dive into our top 5 winter destinations. Lapland, Finland. First on our list is Lapland, Finland's winter paradise. Here, the snow blankets everything in sight, transforming the landscape into a scene straight out of a fairy tale. Lapland is one of the best places on Earth to witness the awe-inspiring northern lights. The region offers a range of activities from husky sledding and reindeer safaris to visiting Santa Claus Village. And for those looking to stay, the ice hotels here provide a unique and unforgettable experience. Imagine falling asleep under the aurora borealis. Vienna, Austria. Next, we head to Vienna, Austria, where the winter season brings out the city's imperial elegance and charm. The Christmas markets here are legendary, offering handmade crafts, warming drinks, and festive treats.
Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of creating a faceless travel video with CapCut. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!